Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix MECCHA CHAMELEON Connection Error, can't join the server, cloud save error, and so on. So before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that I check before hitting play on MECCHA CHAMELEON is your date and time. Sometimes syncing your system clock, it mismatch with the server's clock. So the first thing that I do is on your bottom right click on this, adjust date and time, and make sure to turn set time automatically and set time automatically is both turned on. Once turned on, go ahead and click on sync now. Once done, go ahead and exit this out and relaunch your game, and if the problem still persists, we have another solution. The next solution is by going on your Steam right over here, click on settings, in game, enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just go ahead and temporarily disable that, launch the game, try to see if the problem still persists. If it does, go ahead and right click on your MECCHA CHAMELEON once more, right over here on your library, click properties, and on the launch options, put -dx11, click on install files, verify integrity of game files. So what this will do is it's gonna fix any corrupted files that might be affecting your game or that error that you might be getting. So wait for it to successfully finish. Once done, relaunch your game and see if the problem still persists. If the problem still persists, we have one less solution. So go ahead and exit out Steam completely, right click on your Steam and exit Steam. Right click on your taskbar, task manager. Over here, go ahead and find any Steam related services, right click on it and add tasks. Make sure anything Steam related is done. Exit this out, and on your start menu, type in CMD right over here, run as administrator, click yes if there is a admin pop up, and what you will type first is ipconfig space flush DNS. Next, just go ahead and press enter, ipconfig space /release. There you go. Next one is ipconfig space /renew right over here. Once done, go ahead and wait for it to finish. There you go. And then last two is netsh winsock reset. These are the most basic ones for the connection error for your game. So press enter on this one. And then lastly, netsh int IP reset. There you go. Once done, what I'd recommend is by going to restart your PC first and then relaunch your game from Steam, and it should be working. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.